Welcome to another random review and how-to. Today I'm telling you how to fix these home access holiday lights. Now, I've had these for 1 year, so that's going to be kind of the caveat to this whole review video or how-to video is I bought these from Home Depot. You can see home accent holiday lights. These are the 50 multicolored C6 lights. These ones are actually the C9, so they're a larger bulb. These are the smaller bulb, but they're indoor outdoor. It's the same brand, same box. You just got to pay attention here to how many lights you're getting and what size they are. Now, these are 1 year old. I bought them and they don't light up, these 3 strands. Now I bought 5 strands, 3 of the 5 don't light up. So that should be a warning to you not to buy them. But at the same time, there's 2 things you're gonna wanna check. First of all, check your fuses, which I did. You just pop this up. You're gonna need to put like a flathead screwdriver in there, pop it up, and then you need something thin like a toothpick to pull out the 2 fuses. Most of the boxes come with fuses, but you just replace them, put them back in, and plug them in. If they don't work, then it's something else. The other thing you're gonna wanna do is check every bulb. Now, on these ones, they just unscrew, and let me unscrew them real quick. There it is unscrewed, and then this actual light comes out of here. So what I did is I went through each one of them, I wiggled it just to make sure they weren't broke, and to make sure they were pushed down all the way. If they still don't work, your option is on the plug. You're gonna see here, Home Depot has a number listed there, 1855 HD Holiday. Call that number. It's gonna take forever. It took me 45 minutes. I sat on the phone. Great rep though, she really helped. I don't have a receipt. All I had was the card that I used. If you pay cash, you're kind of out of luck if you don't have a receipt. But if you have your credit card, you call, you give them your credit card number, they're able to look back. These have to be within a year of when you purchase them. So it's a good thing to try to purchase these around the holiday season when you put them up every year. But if you could take them out the week before and check them and test them, make sure they all work. And if they don't work, then call that number. So 45 minutes, what they did is they actually they're issuing me a gift card, 2-day email gift card. She was able to find my receipt through my credit card number. She was able to pull it up. I said, hey, 3 of these aren't working. I had to send a picture. She sent me an email. I sent her a picture real bit quick back of them plugged in and not working. And they issue a gift card. The other thing that's kind of nice is that I get to keep these lights. Even though they don't work, I'm actually able to reuse these bulbs because that is the one thing these bulbs break. This is a very cheap piece here. So actually as a review, overall these lights are terrible, but because I have a lot of other strands, I'm going to stick with them, at least for this year. But these bulbs like to break off, and this piece right here that they're screwed into is very cheap. So this plastic breaks super easily. I don't know if I have an example here in all of my lights to show you one that's broke. Where are they? Where are they? Of course, I'm not gonna be able to find one now. Oh, there's one. So you see right there how that piece is broken. So yeah, very cheap, very broken, not put together. Now the funny thing is this strand actually works, and you see how screwed up that light is. So I don't know. These things are, I don't know, buy a different brand. Anyway, if you have any questions about these, again, that number, call the number, have your receipt. If you don't, they can look it up for you. If you can't do that, you might be out of luck. But you do get the gift card refund, which is definitely worth it. But you have to be within that year. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching.